It's a pleasure to have you here at Toys and RC. In today's video, we'll be covering the top 5 best RC cars for kids in 2026. After conducting extensive research across multiple websites, I've compiled a list of options that cater to different types of buyers. Whether you're focused on price, performance, or a specific use case, I'm here to help. For more details about each product, you'll find the links in the description below. Please keep in mind that this is not a review video, but rather a product showcase. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The Sharper Image Road Rage bumper cars bring the classic amusement park experience into your living room with a competitive, high-stakes twist. This set is designed specifically for head-to-head battles, featuring 2 sleek vehicles and matching remote controls that allow for immediate 2-player action right out of the box. The core gameplay centers on a spring-loaded ejector mechanism. The goal is to maneuver your car to strike the opponent's side bumper buttons. A successful hit triggers a dramatic effect where the driver is physically launched from the seat, accompanied by built-in sound effects and lights. This interactive element turns a standard RC race into a tactical duel that tests reflexes and coordination. Built from high-impact ABS plastic, these mini-cars are engineered to withstand the repeated collisions necessary for victory. The 2.4 GHz wireless technology ensures that the red and blue teams can battle without signal interference, while the omnidirectional steering allows for quick dodges and 360-degree spins. Since the system is entirely battery-powered, requiring AAA batteries for both the cars and remotes, there is no downtime spent waiting for a charge. Sharper Image Road Rage. Fast-paced, ejecting seat action for the ultimate indoor battle. Number 4. The MaxTronic Amphibious remote control car is a versatile stunt vehicle that blurs the line between a land crawler and an RC boat. Designed with a waterproof sealed body, this 4-wheel drive truck is capable of driving through grass, sand, and rocks before transitioning directly into the water to surf at any depth. Performance is driven by a powerful motor that reaches speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour. Its unique protective cage design allows for high-energy stunts, including 360-degree flips and rapid rotations. To make the action even more engaging, the car features bright, flashing LED lights that can be toggled on or off to save power or create a light show during evening play. Charging is modernized with a USB Type-C direct port, powering a built-in 3.7-volt lithium battery. The system also includes an automatic sleep function to preserve energy when the car is idle. The remote control is specifically scaled for smaller hands, using a simplified button layout and a stable 2.4 GHz frequency that allows multiple kids to race together without signal interference. MaxTronic Amphibious RC, a high-speed 4WD stunt performer that conquers both land and water. Number 3. The STEMTRON Amphibious remote control car is a versatile 1:16 scale vehicle designed to handle both land and water with ease. Built as a hybrid between an off-road monster truck and a remote-controlled boat, it features a 4-wheel drive system that allows it to navigate through sand, mud, grass, and snow, as well as surf across pools, ponds, and lakes. A key feature of this model is its double-sided driving capability. Thanks to its unique design, the car can perform front and back flips and 360-degree spins. If it rolls over while surfing in the water, it can continue driving without getting stuck. The 2.4 GHz radio system ensures a stable connection, allowing multiple cars to race together without signal interference. Safety and durability are prioritized with a construction made from premium ABS and non-toxic PVC materials. The waterproof seal protects the internal electronics, allowing for a control range of up to 20 meters while in the water. For power, the car uses a lithium battery that provides up to 25 minutes of continuous play, making it a reliable choice for extended outdoor sessions. STEMTRON Amphibious RC, a rugged, flip-capable stunt machine for land-to-water adventures. Number 2. The AeroQuest Gesture. Sensing Remote Control Car is a futuristic stunt vehicle that moves beyond traditional joysticks by introducing wearable technology. While it includes a standard 2.4 GHz remote, the highlight is the wrist-mounted sensor that allows children to pilot the car using hand gestures. This dual control setup creates an interactive experience that challenges a player's reaction speed and coordination. The car is engineered for multi-directional movement, utilizing specialized wheels to perform 360-degree spins, 45-degree diagonal drifts, and sideways glides. To enhance the sci-fi theme, it features dynamic LED light displays, realistic engine startup sounds, and a cool rear spray effect that mimics exhaust smoke using water mist. Designed with convenience in mind, the vehicle features a Type-C charging port and a high-capacity 1,200 mAh battery, providing over 50 minutes of playtime on a single charge. The body is constructed from high-quality CPSC certified ABS material with a smooth, edge-free design to ensure safety during intense stunt sessions. It serves as both a high-performance toy and a durable entry point into the world of RC hobbyism for kids. AeroQuest Gesture Car, a blend of wearable tech and high-energy stunts that redefines remote control play. Number 1. The QUNREDA remote control car is a high-energy stunt vehicle designed for durability and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for children aged 6 to 12. Its core appeal lies in its four-wheel drive traction and 360-degree rotation mechanism, which allows it to navigate obstacles and perform complex spins across various surfaces, from living room floors to outdoor grasslands and beaches. One of the most significant upgrades in this model is the modular battery system. Unlike traditional remote control cars that require handling wires and small plugs, the QUNREDA uses 2 lithium battery modules, protected by an ABS shell that snap directly into the car. This tool-free design allows children to swap batteries independently, extending total playtime to 50 minutes. Charging is equally modern, utilizing a universal USB-C interface to reduce wait times and eliminate the need for specific chargers. The vehicle is constructed with high-quality ABS plastic and features all-terrain tires designed for superior shock absorption. To make navigation easier during fast-paced stunts, it is equipped with distinctive red-eye LED headlights that help the pilot identify the front of the car at a distance. Operating on a 2.4 GHz frequency, the car maintains a stable connection up to 50 meters, even when multiple vehicles are competing simultaneously. QUNREDA Stunt Car, a practical and modular stunt car made for continuous flipping and maneuvering action. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.